Hello, and this is going to be a video on my Thomas the Tank Engine collection. Let's get into it. Sorry if I mess up with some of the dates on the Thomases, as there are a lot of them. 1996 Thomas. 3 2005 Thomases. 1 Shockface Thomas. 1 2011 Thomas. 3 2013 CGI remakes, and 1 beat up one. Edward Henry. 2005 Henry. 2013 Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, and Toby. Donald, Douglas, Oliver, 2 Salties, each from a different Wooden Railway era. Porter, Marion, Mavis, Gator, 2 Timothys, Hero, Spencer, Neville, and Rosie. Bash, Ferdinand, Duplicate Ferdinand, Spam Can, Stafford, Billy, 2 Ferguses, Samson, Flying Scotsman, Arthur, Molly, and Whiff. The Iron Twins, Ashima, Vinny, Frida, Ryan, 2 Gens, Dart, Streamlined Emily, Philip, Harvey, and Rocky. Sydney, Stephen, Connor, Caitlin, Hugo, Lady, Ten, and Splatter. Diesel. Here's my made-up characters. Reginald and Barry. Next, we're going to be doing my narrow gauge engines. So here we go. Scarloey, Rheneas' new coat of paint, or Yellow Rheneas. Rusty, Duncan, Fearless Freddy, Duke, Smudger, Tank Engine version of Bertram, Luke, Frank, as in my series he is narrow gauge because I don't own any miniature gauge engines, and I'm not missing anything too. Millie, Winston, and now my battery operated engines. Charlie, Jet Engine, and Hero. Spin-off characters or exclusive characters is Dustin. Next, we will be doing road non-rail vehicles. Other brand car, other brand helicopter, other brand lorry. Birdie, Butch, Elizabeth, Sir Topham Hatt's car, Spotlight and Cherry Picker lorries, Kevin, Match, Caroline, Skiff, Bulstrode, and Harold. Those are all my road vehicles. Next, we'll be getting into accessories. Before going into the last section, rolling stock. 5 figurines, 1 wooden Sir Topham Hatt and 1 3D robust Sir Topham Hatt, 3 regular workmen, 3 other brand farm animals, 5 other brand trees, 1 other brand milk fuel tanker, 4 other brand leaf piles, 2 small, 2 large, 4 powertrain trees, 2 Trackmaster Revolution boxes, 2 rock decorations, 1 mail cargo, 2 Thomas and Friends trees, 1 irregular pine tree, and 1 a large apple tree. 2 stop signs, 1 bump, 1 a rock sign, a crossing sign, and a train station sign. 3 signals, 2 Thomas and Friends, 1 fixed, and 1 other brand. Old Trackmaster crate, debris pile, other brand campfire, Old Trackmaster ice cream, Old Trackmaster flour bags, take and play hay bales, other brand barrel, Trackmaster Revolution barrel, trophy from the Just in Time first set, boulder, and the Fossil Run set boulder. We also have 1 slot and build crane and 1 over the track crane. Now we're going to move into the final section, which is all my rolling stock variants of engines, and other brand engines. We'll start in the back 3 rows. Here we have a bunch of cars, each one that can hold rolling stock, except this one has its own rolling stock, piece of cargo. Same for this row, and same for this row. Then we have Giggling Troublesome Truck, Rickety, Unnamed Ballast Car, 2 other brand cars, 1 Mr. Dolly's Taco Factory car, and 1 box car. The other Solar Sweet Shop, the slot and build cargo with the bubbles, my 2 log cars, my yellow caged in car with a plastic pipe in it. Then we come to the last of the rolling stock with the Sodor Honey car, the Hippo car, and the hand car. Next we get into brake fans. We have another brand brake fan. The Soda line, an old Soda line, a newer Soda line produced in I believe 2005. The winter caboose, an older Soda line caboose, and the brake fan. Here are on the coaches. My 2 other brand express coaches, my other brand branch line coach, and my Annie and Clarabelle from 1996. Next, we're going to go into the other brand engines. Here we have a bunch of diesels, the diesels that could possibly be in my series that I haven't named, and 3 other brand diesels. Here we have 4 other brand steam engines, one being a tender engine, the others being random engines that I don't plan on using. Then we come into special versions of the engines. Here we have Royal Crest Thomas, Thomas and the Bees, Winter Holidays Percy, Rolling Whistle James, Fix Me Up Steven, Green Salty, Talking Salty, and Santa's Little Engine Thomas, or Santa's Little Thomas. Then we come to the final engines. Here we have engines that are either broken or I'm missing something to. The Thomas that I plan on using for my custom scrap model, a Early Learners Percy. Here's my other miniature gauge engine, Bert, who is missing his tender, an Edward that I have no tender to, and a Spam can that younger me drew on. And the final character is something very special to me, my 60th anniversary Percy. That has been a video on my Thomas and Friends collection. I do not include any Thomas Wood items, as 1, there are only 4 of them, and 2, I don't like wood that much and don't ever plan on using it. Anyways, that out of the way, this has been my first ever Thomas and Friends collection video. Bye.